How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the process on removing the rear upper axle bushings from a 7.5 or 8.8 solid axle rear end found in the 1979 to 2004 Mustangs. Alright guys, this video is going to explain the process on removing the rear upper axle bushings in your solid axle 79 to 04 Mustang. Now what I have here in front of me is Maximum Motorsports rear upper axle bushing tool. This tool makes removing and installing the bushings faster and easier. They engineered it to have correct tolerances and include special discs, spacers, and washers to properly remove and install the bushings. To remove the rear upper axle bushings in your car, you're going to need the tool itself, a good socket set, a jack, some jack stands, penetrating oil, and some anti-seize. To begin, support the car via a lift or jack stands. Remove the upper control arm hardware from the axle bushings. Braid the factory bushings with penetrating oil and allow to dwell. Slide the long bolt through the cup and position a washer underneath the head. Position the large cup over the flange on the bushing. Position the small disc onto the bolt, followed by the remaining washers. A little anti-seize on the threads wouldn't hurt either. Run up the nut and then use a series of wrenches to press out the bushing. More than likely, you'll run out of threads before the bushing is all the way out. Disassemble the tool, add the large disc on top of the cup, and then reassemble the tool. Continue pressing out the factory bushing until it's completely removed from the axle housing. Do the same for the other bushing. Clean and deburr the housing before installing a new bushing. After that, you're all finished. There you have it, guys. This tool from Maximum Motorsports makes the job pretty much effortless. I mean, honestly, at the particularly low price point, it really is invaluable and a very good tool to have in your arsenal. To continue watching how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video and turn on notifications. While you're at it, be sure and check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning.